To send Bitcoin on Guarda wallet, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to download and install the Guarda wallet application on your device. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one by following the prompts. After setting up your wallet, navigate to the dashboard where you will see your available balance and transaction history. Click on the Send button to initiate the transaction process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, which can be copied and pasted from their wallet or scanned using a QR code. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, either in Bitcoin or your local currency. The exchange rate will be displayed, and you can adjust the amount as needed. Add a transaction fee, which is required to process the transaction on the blockchain. The fee can be set manually or automatically by the wallet. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin being sent, and the transaction fee. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction, and it will be broadcast to the blockchain. It may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed. Depending on the network congestion and the fee set, you can track the status of the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. Always keep your wallet and device secure, and never share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. It is also important to note that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so double-check the recipient's address before sending. By following these steps, you can securely send Bitcoin on Guarda wallet.